Hey everybody, welcome back to Texas Off-Road. Today I'm out with the 2026 KTM 450 XCF-W. We're going to put a quick lap in. Okay, here we go. Just a quick lap on the 450 XCF-W. I can't wait to get some stuff for this thing. Do a little more testing. It's been so fun. Trying to beat the heat this morning. Just hot, dry and dusty. Not much has changed around here. Just some third gear cruising through the trees. It is a little more responsive since I changed the throttle cam to the more aggressive one, but it's still so easy to ride. Easy to handle and stuff like this. Manageable. Sharp turn right here. Little hump. Ooh. Oh. Entered that corner a little too fast. That's okay. Out. Look at him go. See if we see him again. More trees. Little mistake. Fast section. Back into the trees. Ah, so smooth. Home stretch. All right. So that section of the loop is just fun. Just a good technical little 2 miles or so, I think. Anyway, loving the 450. Can't wait to get some more time on it. All right, so that was a quick lap on the 26 450 XCF-W. I'm loving this thing. I'm super excited to get some new parts for it, some things I'm pretty excited about. So stay tuned for some upcoming videos on that, and thanks for riding along. We'll see you in the next one.